So this is the Wilton Vise Restore model 1780A. It's the Tradesman Vise. When I got it, it was on the back of a mechanic's truck, and they just couldn't get it open and didn't have the money to sit around for a couple of months and try and get it going. So everything was crammed tight. We took the spindle cap off first after we'd soaked everything in PB Blaster and ground on it to clean it up. Then what we did is we took a steel wedge and an axe and a sledgehammer and started wailing on it until it came apart. Then was the pinhole. These pinholes are not lined up on both sides exactly. Maybe a manufacturer design, but it bent the heck out of a couple of my push pins, so I'd recommend getting something durable. Everything finally came apart, and we just started pulling out basically the pipe grips, which they're spring cap. You need to pull them off with some type of 2 screwdrivers or something. Then it was time for the homemade lock nut assembly tool, rebar and a pipe, which didn't work, and we moved to this.
So what we got going on here, if the camera can see, we took a long box socket that was 1 1/16 inch in diameter. I found that the basic 6 end rather than the mini end socket was better, and it was better because you were able to line up where you wanted your cuts to be to make it even. You can see that on this component piece we are unable to get it to twist off the bolt on the inside so that I can release the ability for this vise to spin on its base. So we've tried welding up rebar and a ratchet, we've tried cutting a box end wrench, and now we are heating this with a small propane torch to see if we can get any movement. But so far it's just been 3 weeks of using PB Blaster and spraying and a few other things to get this to go. Get these components off. This piece, what it does is you turn this to cinch it down or loosen it up, and then this top piece can spin on the bottom plate, and then the bottom plate is affixed to your workbench. So we tried PB Blaster, I tried using MAP gas to shrink and size this up to where I can twist it off. I even cut down an air compressor, and I'll show that in another video. But today we're cutting it off. Unfortunately, it just wouldn't go, so too bad. Okay, here we go. Dave, will you go shut that off? Whew. Still recording?
Yep.
Right here. That's that nut that I needed off. Now I gotta grind down and we can stop the video. Hopefully I'm going to be able to capture this on video. Yes! Dude, this is kind of a big moment. Been like 2 months. Like 2 months on this project. Anyway, hope you guys can see this because this is cool. Yeah! It freaking came apart. Oh, baby. Boy, I tell you what. That's a lot of solid rust. It's got to get ground and sanded and everything off right there. But it's done. We did it! Yes!